Hello, tuni KUKI channel vejosi na bon bin liam na hi tuni a hi Burma Boi na chu hin sei jom kit no hitin Burma Boi na hi asang deu jeng in na hize a chu Sunday ni a patna chu ahung ki tha pat kit no ahin la Monday ni a hi khosi de set kit na hi izi nam til ong sang sung ki jail court na patna hung pot do a hi ama hin Wednesday a dinga judgment pan extend anabole ti a asei pha na chu je MIPI ho hi nasata hung panan la ki nuwa boina hung sang deu wai ta chu protestant he hung tam dewa masa chu phat masa chu inavet deu kata sanin video chu ichiwa chu mandale le rengon bawa boy a hi in ahin la tu chunga hi Kachin state ho changeyaung an tong khata in Burma sungjo se hi to a hi kithing lewa hitawin protestant atam pha na hi police ho si in control azolo pha na chu to a hi army ho changeya hong panguwa army ho jong hin teng ho na sangeya an man chawa protestant ho hi delmang dengan go no hi na phat ma sa chu anaveleu hen mandale le rengon aboya chu police ho bo anaboy in aban la tui ho abo anatin in ahin la tu chunga hi rubber bullet ti ho ai lo la tear gas ti ho aban le thil tampi aza wa he taina police se in azolowa army jong tu chunga yong pang ai tai ti chu iga he theidum wa kan sei hintin aban le hi chi phat masa chu ong sang sung ki leader nu hi Monday ni a thu hi ketan ding ai tai ti a chu ana sei a hi in ahin la zan he a chu judgment pan heta chu thu atan kit na Wednesday a dinga extend on ball kit phatna chu hichi MIPI ho KIPHIN na hi nasadi set kit ai ta in hichilaya hi English a sai a hi in English he ho chon ngai win lang heleu chon nang hon jon het them deu ka ta sanin hicha a chu hicha se hi ga ngai hau te na.
They've been protesting all day, trying to stop Myanmar's military taking over the power plant. And then this. In the darkness, the authorities move in. This is Mitjina in Kachin state. Some of the hardcore stand firm, hurling what they can find at the incoming enemy. Elsewhere, water cannon is visible as troops sweep the streets. Arrest, arrest, someone says. Then the feed cuts. 2 weeks after the coup, fear and rumour are spreading in Myanmar. In Yangon, armoured vehicles have been seen for the first time. The US Embassy told residents to seek shelter during the curfew, with warnings internet and phones could be cut overnight. Meanwhile, the protests continue, with demonstrators pleading for outside help.
What do we want? We need UN to protect the country in a good way, to protect the democracy also. Democracy, that's all we want.
Ambassadors from Canada, the EU, US and UK have condemned the ongoing arrests of activists, journalists and politicians and denounced the use of violence against demonstrators.
Chichua hi in chichuna ta na het them deu ka ta sanin aji chu English an sai hi in hichi US in jong UN in jong condemnable chu athil bol hi adi poi ti ana condemn anabol a hi in aban kitle hichiwa hi police si in control a bol zo lo pha na chu army ho chan ge a hung kit howa ta hi protestant ho hi delmang dingan go no hi in phat ma sa chu internet bo na kat no hi in twa hi a light no jong akat no hi tai light jong amu ta loi rengon le mandale hi light jong talo electricity ho na electricity jong talo ai wanga hi amoi asu na jana hi tai hi to wa KIPHIN na hi a ball jing wa hi izi enam tila to ong sang sung ki amon hin ha do win atiu a hi in a hi wanga chu ong sang sung ki hi judgment pan Wednesday adinga extend an ball kit na hi in a hin la hi chi ipi plan ne ya agon ham ti hi ke hanai lo a hi in hi china dinga chu jing khonga akit ngai a hi in jinga khu a final judgment pan I tabang thutan na an nei ham ti chu jinga khu het kit diu a hi ti chu ega sai theu hin tin tunia kuki channel Burma Boi na chungchanga in news in update theu hi chi chan chu in tin akit ting le ong sang sung ki thu sim jong hi halkhat akisein hi chong chu hongki hi chi kuki channel ei pawa hongki hil che na hi in hi chong chu in bet kit deu hi ti chu kain sei ma sat hin tin hi chu to bang hoi na vet nom jengai le chi channel hi subscribe le share in ball pi jiven ti chu kain tem nom na hi ve ka ke pa